Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you two easy side dish recipes using brinjals. Now brinjals are called the king of vegetables, and the reason being brinjals have an extraordinary unique flavor. There are several varieties of brinjals that are available in India, and the availability of all these brinjals are subject to the regions they are being grown in. Now these are all local varieties and mostly used by Indians in the regular cooking. There is one variety of brinjals which is used worldwide. It is called aubergine in British English and eggplant in American English. It is relatively huge in size when compared to our local varieties and hence different from our local brinjals or baingans. This aubergine, that is eggplant, is exotic in taste and used in lasagnas, pizzas, baba ganoush and many more. So today I'm going to show you this famous baingan bharta using the eggplant, and this side dish is great for rotis, pulkas and chapatis. So now let's get into the recipe and see how this is made. First we're going to grill the aubergine, that is the baingan. Keep the baingan on the flame. Keep the flame on medium-high and let it cook completely. You don't want to keep the flame on high and cook this through, as the skin might turn brown very quickly, but the baingan may not be cooked inside. This process will take about 10 to 15 minutes to completely cook the baingan. You can see the baingan is charred nicely. It's got a lovely smoky flavor. Now the next step is to remove the skin of the baingan. For this, place the charred baingan in a bowl of water. Leave it in the water for about a minute. After a minute, take it out of the water and remove the skin. You can see it comes out very easily. Once you've removed the skin, chop the baingan, that is the aubergine, into pieces. Transfer it to a bowl. Next, take a nice wide pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this I'm going to add 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Saute the onions for a few minutes. Once the onions start turning brown, add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, followed by 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Mix everything well. Now season it with a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, a teaspoon of salt. Now you can add the salt according to your taste. Once the tomatoes are cooked, finally add the chopped aubergine, that is the baingan. Mix everything well. The aromas are amazing. It's got a lovely smoky flavor to it. The key to this dish is the smoky flavor. Now it's come together beautifully. Finally, garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. The baingan bharta is ready to be served. So there you go. Here is this delicious baingan bharta. Now this is a must-try recipe, and it is so tasty because of its unique smoky flavors. Now it has very limited ingredients to this recipe, so it's a must-try, especially when you have limited resources. So do try this recipe and enjoy. Moving on to the next recipe is brinjal dal. Now this also is a very quick and simple recipe which is a great side dish for your rotis and chapatis. So here is another dal recipe that you can try. So let's get into the recipe. For the brinjal dal, I've taken 100 ml cup of tur dal. This is just washed. This is a very quick and simple recipe. 2 onions chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, 2 green chilies slit. It's just a small piece of tamarind that's been soaking in water. A quarter kg of brinjal, small size brinjals. You can see the purple ones that I've cut up. I'm going to add those. So when you cut the brinjals, make sure you keep them in salted water. That way the color will not change. They won't become brown. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Pour enough water. 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Just mix everything and pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles. Dal is cooked perfectly. So we're just going to temper a few ingredients. Take a little oil. So I'm going to add some ingredients for tempering. A mix of mustard seeds, urud dal and cumin seeds. Add a few red chilies. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add the pound garlic, a few cloves, 1/4 teaspoon asparagus powder. Turn off the stove and add some curry leaf. Transfer the cooked brinjal dal to the saucepan. And finally garnish it with some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Check for seasoning. If you need some salt, you can add it at this point. Just drizzle a teaspoon of ghee before serving. Now how simple was that? So when you're looking for dal recipes and if you want something to make quick and easy, this is one such recipe. This also tastes great with steamed rice and ghee. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed these 2 simple yet delicious side dishes. Now brinjal has high dietary fiber and it is low in carbs, so it aids in weight loss. It is also a rich source of vitamin C and has antibacterial properties. So it's all the more to include it in your diet. So do try these recipes and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.